Hi, I'm Dr. Janjua. I am a board certified facial plastic surgeon and my practice is based in Bedminster, New Jersey. I want to address the question that I'm asked very commonly by my patients as to why Sculptra. Sculptra aesthetic, which is poly-L-lactic acid, is a new product, not very new, it's been approved since 2009, and it is used for correction of the nasolabial grooves and any other area of the face that needs correction of deeper grooves. That has been used for a long time in Europe and finally got approved for aesthetic purposes in the United States. In my opinion, I prefer Sculptra for anti-aging purposes in my aging face patients. As we all age, certain changes happen, and we begin to notice those changes only when they have become quite significant. For example, if you look at my face, my cheekbones used to be fuller when I was in my 20s, and they were strong. With time, the bone gets absorbed, and the cheekbones, the actual bone, gets almost sunken into the face a little bit, if you will, and the skin starts becoming thin because of loss of collagen. And that leads to a sagging effect where now the skin envelope starts sagging downwards. As it sags downwards, it ends up causing a bulging effect of all this soft tissue lying right down here, as it overhangs the nasolabial grooves or the smile lines. Because of this overhanging tissue, these grooves become very deep and become noticeable, and the face loses its attractiveness because of loss of the balance that it used to have in a younger face, where the forehead flew into the temples seamlessly, and then into the cheek seamlessly, and then into the upper lip without any grooves, like this. So this change in the facial volume balance makes the face look less attractive than it used to in 20s and 30s. The other noticeable change that happens is that we also lose volume of the bone in the chin. And right here, we lose the volume and the chin sinks in. The sagging effect of all the volume, all the skin, comes over here and overhangs this depression and causes these jowls and these grooves. And this makes the face look not as attractive as it was in its youth. So the answer to this question has been in the past using cheek implants and chin implants, trying to bring the tissue and lift it up to where it used to be. Now we can build up collagen in that area effectively using Sculptra, which is a quick, minimally invasive injection like any injection of a filler, and it works very nicely and slowly and builds up collagen. That is the main difference between Sculptra and the other fillers, and that is the reason I prefer it. Sculptra works very slowly and gradually. It takes about 1 month for any noticeable change to happen in the face after the injection, and nobody can tell that you are having any procedure done or any injections done. As you do a series of injections 1 month apart, you continue to see a change. It is slow, gradual, and subtle, which means nobody can tell that you're having a procedure done. It is not unnatural. However, your face starts looking fresh and relaxed. And once you've reached the point of completion, which means all the volume has been restored in the correct places, after doing typically between 3 to 4 sessions of Sculptra, 2 vials each, or 6 sessions of Sculptra, 1 vial each, you have reached the point where your face is looking very good and you're happy. And at that point of completion, you do not need any more fillers for about a couple of years. And at that point, you might need a touch-up of just 1 session. And this change, which has happened over a period of 6 months to a year, is so subtle that nobody would notice anything unusual other than you looking healthy, fresh, and relaxed. Those are the typical feedback comments that I get from my patients. Also, it is happening because of your own collagen, which makes it more natural looking and very soft to touch and feel and make it long lasting. Those are the arguments in favor of Sculptra. I always tell my patients, think of Sculptra as your retirement plan for the face. Whenever you feel you have the financial resources that you could do some Sculptra, you will put some more collagen in the facial bank. And that collagen is going to keep your face looking young and help you age gracefully. If you need more information, I encourage you to visit my website. It is janjuafacialsurgery.com. And I hope you get a chance to talk to your physician in detail about Sculptra and make an informed choice and a good decision. I thank you for your time.